Good morning guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how the Langar food is being prepared inside community kitchen of Gurudwara. We will go inside the Langar hall of Gurudwara Baal Leela Sahib and see it completely. Inside, just near entrance, there are steel plates, bowls and spoons which you can take with you and sit on floor mat and eat the food. Interestingly, they even have sugar-free tea for the pilgrims. These two guys are pouring tea from big steel container into jugs and serving it. Here you can see freshly cooked pulses. These are gas stoves with gas cylinders. They are using big steel buckets for serving rice, pulses, sweets to the pilgrims. Just by looking I can say these big containers have hundreds of kilograms of food. They even have food packaging system for someone who need food for their journey. Now this Sevadar, that is a staff member who is responsible for smooth running of this Langar system, is showing me the groceries. This big room has big bags full of rice, wheat, grams, pulses, salt and sugar. In the adjacent room there is a cold storage too. In this cold storage they have a lot of fresh green vegetables. In this room they have opened the bag and they have a weighing machine so that they can mix the raw materials in definite quantities and prepare the langar. This is called community kitchen and you can see the ladies and old men are helping to cut and chop vegetables. Now this gentleman is showing me the roti making machine. This machine is used in special occasions whenever there are lakhs of people visiting the place, and this machine is capable of producing 3000 chapatis or rotis in 1 hour. The whole process is automatic and you need to just put the dough, wheat flour, connect gas cylinders and ignite this machine. Even the gas cylinders are not sufficient to make langar in such amount and they have to use wood fire for this big tawa. Wood is burning inside and above you can see huge iron sheet for making fulka roti or chapati. This is selfless and voluntary service where they are helping the community in langar preparation. Gurudwara Baal Leela Sahib and Langar Hall is managed by Sant Baba Bhuri Wale and this Langar Hall works all the time. The staff have duty of supervising volunteers and preparing langar. Ladies volunteers are helping in sorting of vegetables, cutting them and also making chapatis, whereas men are making vegetable, rice, pulses and fries. All the volunteers has to mandatory clean their hands before taking part in langar preparation. This ensures purity of food and hygiene. While some volunteers are helping in langar preparation for lunch, other volunteers are serving the meal to the Sangat or pilgrims. Once a pilgrim eats food and he wants to go outside, some volunteers collect the used plates, bowls, spoons from the pilgrims and immediately clean them with detergent and water. Here you can see volunteers using big buckets for collecting waste food and then cleaning the utensils immediately. So guys, in this way this langar hall can feed thousands of people every day and runs smoothly. Thanks for watching. Kindly subscribe this channel for informative videos. See you guys in the next video. Have a good day.